Welcome to VK Investments representation to entrepreneurs. Thank you for joining this meeting and the presentation. So, about VK Investments, it is an investment. VK Investment is a fund manager company based in Toronto, Canada, for entrepreneurs and investors to find people with similar ideas or businesses that are looking to expand. So we act as a bridge between the entrepreneurs and investors. So we are based in Toronto, Canada. Okay, so having our and also we have our own investment product, which we have personally, like we have touch with all the investor groups in different countries like US, Canada, and Europe and India. So where we can submit your proposals, pitch deck on behalf of you. So we have around 200 plus companies in all part of the globe and in different sectors. And also we have our own team of chartered accountants, investment consultants, and financial experts who will do reviews before we send it to the investors. And also if there is any suggestions, we will be helping the entrepreneurs. Who we fund companies who are already in the market with at least 2 to 3 years traction record. So we fund private or corporate companies. Those companies can be in any part of the globe. The companies should have a strong management and technical team or like marketing skills team. Bigger market to scale and grow. So ROI should be 30% for each dollar invested. So because of the return on investment expected by each investors are very high, we filter pitch decks which is having very less profits. Okay, growth every year with exponential with revenue and profit. Okay, so these are all our terms and conditions. We provide the required documents through our platforms and then pitch deck in our own format. Financial documents we asked in the documents all should be there for submitting to our investors. There is an initial subscription fee for each of the entrepreneurs. It is just INR of 9,500 rupees, which is one-time fee for each pitch deck you submit through our portal. It is mandatory for all the entrepreneurs, and also as a success fee of 3%, which is after fundings received. Company legal and market research reports are basic requirement for any funding, and due diligence fees investors as approved for funding. So the due diligence fees, it will be divided between the investors and the companies with 50%, mostly 50%. So they may accept few companies, if you have already done the due diligence with private due diligence company, which is globally recognized. Okay, so other mandatory documents, your valuation report of the company, and an audited or unaudited balance sheet of profit and loss, detailed cost structure for an year, shareholder pattern, last 12 to 24 months sales breakup and sales forecast. These are all other mandatory documents, so which is needed for. So the valuation reports can be submitted at the later stages also. Once they have approved, we are moving forward with your funding. So process pre-filtering of our clients with our team. So once you send a pitch deck to us through an email or anything, then you have to run online registration. Then we create a pitch through our web system and upload all your documents. Then our team will verify all the documents in the portals, and we submit to all the investors. So final verification period of submitting to all investors. Arranging multiple meetings with the interested investors, also the responsibility of VK Investments. So until we help the entrepreneurs until the offer is made by the investors. So due diligence done by an approved agent by investors. So they are doing in India. They have a separate agents, and also in Europe they have, and US they have. So they do the due diligence for them. Signing off the term sheet. So some of the clients will have binded timesheet, and some of them investors does not have non-bind term sheets. It depends upon the investors. It is nothing, and also based on the funding you ask. Okay, so the fund and the term sheet is signed. The due diligence is signed. So then funding will reach the company account, and then the commission of 3% has to be given to VK Investments account. This is our process for getting funding through VK Investments. So these are portfolios of the companies whom we have funded in different countries. So DoorDash, Instacart, JustWorks, Red Bay Coffee, Housing.com, Yatra, Myntra, Book My Show, Boxbot. These are all our few clients which we have listed here. We got funding through VK Investments. So this is our contact information. So we are based in Toronto, Canada, and a phone number and email address and websites are there. So feel free to register yourself in our website. The registration is completely free. Only after you are ready to move with PitchTech, then you can make the payment through online and proceed for our other processes. Okay. Thank you very much for attending this online presentation. Thank you.